Good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a video tour this morning of this 2020 ElkRidge 251RE. So it's a rear entertainment coach. We're going to start with the outside. A nice large full front cap, painted front cap with LED lighting, very large front metal compartment to hold those heavier items, electric front jacks with solar prep, so it's prep for solar. Again, LED lighting throughout the front cap. Coming down the side, you're going to notice a nice long electric awning with LED lighting underneath that awning. It really lights up the siding of the coach. Pass-through front compartment with power and cable hookups. If you wanted to add another TV, you could do so. And by the way, this is a heated front compartment. Of course, this is a Four Seasons coach. Marine grade outdoor speakers, aluminum step, large grab handle as we walk into the coach. Coming inside, one of the really nice features on this, you've got a back window, so even though it's a rear entertainment, you still have a nice light coming in, spot for a nice television. You've got the fireplace that works as a heater, CD, DVD player, lots of cabinetry throughout this coach, some drawers. You've got the upgraded range and oven with the microwave, large 8 cubic foot refrigerator with a pull-out drawer underneath, sofa that makes into a bed, as does the dinette. So that means you can sleep about 6 in here comfortably. Nice pantry with a hutch type setup here so that you can set up your coffee maker, your blenders, whatever you've got going on, and utilize that cabinet space. Coming up into the bedroom area, I'll let the cameras do the work in there, but we've got a nice large corner shower, medicine cabinet with a sink and storage underneath, wardrobe closet, lots of storage here, nice king size bed, pull up with storage underneath, again, lots of cabinetry and power on both sides of the bed. This unit's going to come with 2 ACs, all LED lighting throughout, and it's set up for another television, so all you have to do is add the bracket and the TV. Everything else you need is there. Let's finish up on the outside. Moving back to the outside, we've got an outdoor entertainment center with a refrigerator, beverage refrigerator, and a sink. You've got a setup here to add a bike rack or one of those carrying racks. Furion power, it's a 50 amp service, set up for backup camera, so it's pre-wired for a backup camera. Rear stabilizing jacks. All of your tanks and plumbing are wrapped up really tight against the coach. Your dump valves are very easily accessed. Nice large water heater, furnace. Your docking station is all enclosed so that that's all heated during the winter time. Again, a pass-through front compartment. This coach offers everything that you need in a really nice, short, very usable, quick to hook up and get into most places. If you have any questions on this coach or any other coach, please feel free to call me directly at 541-968-6010 or ron.mcgowan@guaranty.com. Thank you and have a great day.